Hi friends, today I want to talk about the planetary situations, astrologically, how things look like for this period in the middle of May. So, we know that already I've been speaking about videos, I've been speaking about in my videos about how the retrograde motion of Saturn along with Ketu in the same sign of Sagittarius, and it is opposite Mars and Rahu in the sign of Gemini. So these are like kind of enemy planets which do not form very auspicious combinations, and how being together these can actually impact life on Earth, people's lives, and how it can actually lead to a lot of realignment, how it can lead to a lot of changes in the way we look at things, how we can transform our outlook. So, with Rahu in the third house, we know that we have been seeing a lot of stuff connected with fake news. We have seen a lot of stuff coming up with communication which is not authentic. But at the same time, at a deeper level, this is bringing attention to things that are deeper. So, like Saturn Ketu in Sagittarius, we saw that the abortion laws, new abortion laws are coming in place. So people are protesting against these laws. So a new order is coming. We saw a religious and spiritual place like Notre Dame getting burnt. But at the same time, we are also seeing religion trying to again push its stamp by bringing in abortion laws, by bringing in laws which ban abortion, and then the subsequent protest. So there are a lot of opposing forces, a lot of transformation is coming to the universe. The way we look at principles, the way we look at religion is changing. Definitely it is changing. And I think these are big developments, these are big realignments that are happening. I can also see that Venus is in the sign of Aries. That's a sign where Venus is actually, I think, challenged a bit, because this is the original first house. So it can give you a very glorious and glamorous outlook to life, but also it can lead to a lot of frustration when you do not receive the required results. Sun and Mercury in Taurus is also a sort of formation of Buddha Aditya Yoga. But being in Taurus, the original second house, we could see a lot of spurt in education. We could see a lot of things happening in the area of finances, in the area of education, new developments happening in these places. Also, I can see that there is, I think, Jupiter and Moon in the sign of Scorpio, and again Jupiter in Scorpio, retrograde motion, again indicative of transformation, and Scorpio is involved. So we can see the laws connected with sexuality, connected with abortion coming, because Scorpio is about these themes. So we are revisiting the old trends of anti-abortion laws. We are revisiting those trends, and we are seeing how things are getting impacted at that level. And Scorpio really represents sexuality. It represents something like abortion, and it's not a surprise that these kind of developments are happening on the planet right now. So a lot of stuff is expected in the days to come, a lot of action, a lot of transformative stuff. Probably also the new order is trying to enforce itself. So the old is fighting against the new to put itself in place. So let's see how this pans out. We have elections in India coming to the last phase, a very volatile period. I can see that again in Indian elections, the old order, the old administration, or the administration which is currently in place, is trying to enforce itself, is trying to put itself in place. So I think these are like very important developments, and this is a transformative period for the next 2 to 3 months. So definitely I wish that we can be more observant of this and of this kind of energy that is moving. And I wish you all the best through this period. May it bring you lots of transformation, lots of growth. Cheers.